Check out the views from this 3-bedroom/2.5 bath golf course home. Sitting between the 13th hole and 14th tee box of Lake Forest Golf Club, it offers beautiful, relaxing views from the spacious sunroom, as well as kitchen, breakfast area and large back porch that is perfect for entertaining. You will enjoy the low maintenance of this solidly built all-brick home. Living room and primary bedroom both feature fireplaces. Second bedroom has an additional space for office/sitting area. Double garage plus storage building with room to park your golf cart. Lake Forest Subdivision amenities include 18-hole golf course, 3 swimming pools, tennis courts, stables, and yacht club/marina with boat launch and storage available. It is close to I-10, restaurants, grocery stores and shopping.